This tree blooms straight from its bark before a single leaf appears. Meet the Eastern Redbud, a small native tree that sets the forests of eastern North America on fire each spring with clouds of pink and lavender. Before the canopy above has even begun to wake, this understory gem is already stealing the show. The Eastern Redbud belongs to the legume family, the same family as peas and beans. Its flowers are actually edible, with a mildly sweet, nutty flavor that's been used in salads for centuries. It exhibits something called cauliflory, where flowers bloom directly from the trunk and older branches, a trait far more common in tropical trees, like cacao. A single mature redbud can produce tens of thousands of flowers in one spring, and that bloom can last 2 to 3 weeks. George Washington himself transplanted redbuds from the forest into his gardens at Mount Vernon back in the 1780s. And through bacteria in its roots, this tree actually fixes nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil for everything growing around it. Plant your redbud in early spring before bud break or in fall. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and adapts to clay, loam, or sandy soils as long as drainage is decent. Make sure the root flare sits at or just above soil level. Planting too deep is one of the most common mistakes and can lead to trunk rot. Do plant where soil drains well, because redbuds hate sitting in water. Do prune only in late winter to avoid canker disease. Don't try to move a mature redbud. That deep taproot makes transplanting established trees very difficult. And don't overwater. Consistent moisture is good, but soggy soil invites root rot. In the quiet weeks before spring fully arrives, the Eastern Redbud reminds us that small things can make the boldest statements. One tree, thousands of flowers, and a lifeline for the season's first pollinators. Restore, protect, inspire.